Hello, my name is Victor. This is Pokemon Freaks Worldwide. Hold on a second. Pokemon Freaks Worldwide, there he is. There's the guy you're looking for on the screen. We are going to go in with this Sword and Shield Battle Styles. But wait a minute, Elite Trainer Box. There's a mistake. There's an error on these. Guys, I checked it out. There's an error. There's supposed to be 10 packs in these, which now they only created. It's Pokemon, actually, the company that made the error, and there is something that they're going to do about it. If you guys actually purchase this, there will be something that you'll be able to get your money back. You guys are going to have to check it out. Go check out on the Pokemon site, Elite Trainer Box from Sword and Shield Battle Styles, which are supposed to contain. So they are considered an error box, guys. Okay, so yes, check that out. They are supposed to contain, look, it's 8 Pokemon TCG booster packs. I just want to take a look, guys, to see if the other box that I have is the same thing. It says the same absolute thing. Let's see what this one says. Yeah, 8. So let's find out if there's actually 8 in there. But yes, there's supposed to be an error with these. So guys, don't quote me on it. But yes, there is supposed to be an error. Look at the cards. We are going in with Sword and Shield Battle Styles. So this is Battle Styles or Chilling Reign. What do you guys want to go in? Let's go with Battle Styles today, okay? Let's just hit it up. Battle Styles. Not Chilling Reign. I don't know if it was Battle Styles or if it's Chilling Reign. But yeah, one of them, there is an error box. I don't know which one it is. But yeah, we will find that out. We are searching, guys, for some gold cards. Look at the gold cards that we can get. That Houndoom is beautiful. Escape Share. Look at the different types of rainbows, guys. This is when they it started off from Battle Styles, guys. The Rapid Strike and Single Strike. Let's see what we're getting in this ATV box. These are $70 at your local Walmart. Let's flip up the camera. Let's have some fun. Enjoy the music. Enjoy the polls. Enjoy the game together. My name is Victor. I run the channel. I need you guys to subscribe if you want me to open up more and do some giveaways. Because today, we're going to do a giveaway. We're going to give away one of these big boxes to one of y'all. Let's get into the video. What are we getting here? We got some beautiful dice. Baby blue, dark blue, and normal blue. Not bad. You roll these dice, and you shall get something. Counters. Dividers. These are good when you're putting your cards and you want to search and separate your holo rares compared to your rares. Absolutely beautiful. You get a rule book. The rule how to play, guys. Awesome. 50 to 100 sleeves. Get these ready if we get a nice pull. That's what's cool about having these boxes, guys. You pay a little bit more, but you get, see what you get? They provide you with sleeves to protect your cards. Y'all shall know that. That is beautiful. And how many packs? And a big pack of energy cards. The code card. And let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 makes me feel great. Stay up late, open up Pokemon cards, have fun. This year is a crazy year. A lot of new Pokemon stuff coming out with TCG. A lot of new players joining the game. A lot of new channels to go subscribe to. Scatterbug. Cubone, leave me alone. We got them more. Let's go. T-Pig, can we get some gold today, guys? Woo! Rapid Strike. A lot of people are... There's a rumor that there's not that many great pulls from these packs. But if you're positive, you shall get positive things. That's how I look at life, right? So let's go. Nice big opening today. A lot of videos to upload in the future for more. We got, looks like a dolphin doing some tricks in the air. We have a flying bird. Kirby. Let's go. Oh, come on, guys. You guys could have been nicer. Fire type, gold bat. Maybe we should start guessing that energy. Let's do it. Let's start guessing the energy. Maybe we'll get some more luck that way. Guys, I've been collecting Pokemon cards since I have been a kid. Alright. Unfortunately, it's green. We all know what happens when it's green. 1, 2, 3. Guess the type? Fire today, guys. Is it fire? No, it's a psychic type. Camping gear. Reminds me we should go camping this weekend. Heatmar, Blipbug, Silicobra, Condor, Lickitung, Horsey, Phoenix, and that is our rare. With that, let's keep that as a motivator right there. a psychic type energy card. And by guys, if you don't understand what energy cards are, they are the ones your Pokemon needs to attach an energy for it to be able to attack. The more energy your Pokemon has, the more attack and more effect your Pokemon does on the opponent's Pokemon. That's what those energy cards are for. A lot of people ask that question. Well, there it is. There's Mankey. Well, let's go. Come on, there's Drampa, not your grandpa. Energy. Let's go. There's the cat, the code card. Come on, not on cool yet. We are searching. Let's go, guys. Battle Styles Elite Trainer box from our local Walmart. $70. Can we get something worth our value? Is it worth the investment that we're doing? Let's find out. A lot of people are actually getting into Pokemon. And bang, there we have a Sandaconda. Okay. Beautiful. And a Tower of the Darkness. Don't want to get in that tower. And the code card. Yep. Gotta catch them all, but it's hard to catch them all when they don't come in each and every pack that you're trying to pull, eh? Right? There's a cold Pokemon. There's an Esper. Flipbug. Can we get a good pull? I predict this pack shall give me a good card. And I know it will. Watch it. Watch the bang. Watch the bang. Boom. There's the bang. Gave me something good, right? Dark Energy, Level Ball, gotta catch them all. Single Strike Energy, you need that single and you need that Strike Energy. There's Alexio, the code card, and that is all. Second last pack before the end of the video, and we shall get right into it. What can we get? Let's go! Electabuzz, Baltoy, Gilgar, let's go. Let's get something out of this guy. Bronzer, Single Strike Energy, and a Victory Bell. Let's go. Nothing from this ATB box whatsoever. Last pack magic. Bring in the love, bring in the fire, bring in the game, guys. Come on, 7 minutes in opening this. Can we do it? Let's go. White code card. Solid Bronzer, Cassia, Sonic, Roly-Coly, Hondage, and Flapple V. Not bad. So that was the only good hit that we got from this electric type, so we'll put the Flapple up there. Every reverse hollow. Yes, guys. Fortune, they are right. You do not, the pull rate for Battle Styles is not the greatest. You don't get the craziest cards. Kind of sucks. But it is what it is. Yep. But yeah, I noticed that these Pokemon products, it's like a lottery. You buy a ticket and you hope to hit. Not every pack comes with a ultimate rare, right? Or a massive hitting card. You're searching, and you're praying. You're praying to the Pokemon gods that you're gonna get something. So you're like, hoping that you're gonna get an answer from the Pokemon gods, as we call them. But we shall not get a response, so we got to keep on searching. Thank you guys for watching the video. Love my content, love creating these videos for y'all to go watch, and I hope to see y'all come back again and watch my videos. Thank you very much, guys.